Good morning, class 11. Today we are going to study how to balance a redox reaction using ion electron method. In the previous class we did how to balance a redox reaction by oxidation number method. So today we are going to study about ion electron method. So the points under that, first one, we have to write the equation in ionic form. Second, we have to split the equation into two half reactions, that is oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. Next, we have to balance the two half equations by the following steps. Number one, we have to balance the two half reactions atom wise except hydrogen and oxygen atom. Next, we have to calculate the oxidation number on both sides of the reaction, and we have to add the electrons on that side wherever it is required. For example, in case of oxidation half reaction, we have to add the electrons on the right hand side, and in case of reduction half reaction, we have to add the electrons on the left hand side. Next, we have to balance the two half reactions charge wise depending on the nature of the medium. If it's acidic medium, then it is H positive and H2O. If it is basic medium, then it is OH negative and H2O. Okay. Then last, we have to multiply the balanced half reactions by suitable numbers such that the number of electrons in both the half reaction gets balanced. And then at the end, we have to add the two half reactions, two balanced half reactions, okay, to get the overall reaction. Fine. So let's explain by an example. Dichromate Cr2O72 negative plus C2H4O arrow Cr3 positive plus C2H4O2. The medium given is acidic medium. Okay. So here first of all we have to, it is already given in the ionic form. So next step we have to split the equation into two halves. So my reduction half reaction will be dichromate to chromium, because if I check the oxidation number, you see chromium has +6 on the left hand side, right hand side +3. So it undergoes reduction. This will be my reduction half. And in case of your carbon, it is -1 on the left hand side and right hand side it is 0. So this will be the oxidation half reaction. Okay. So reduction half first of all, we are going to balance the equation. We are going to balance the reduction half reaction. So first step, we have to balance the equation atom wise except hydrogen and oxygen atom. So left hand side we are having 2 chromium, right hand side also there must be 2 chromium. Okay, now we are going to calculate their oxidation states. So here each chromium atom has +6 oxidation state on the left hand side, and here each chromium atom has +3 oxidation. Yes, +3 oxidation state. So what happens? For 2 chromium atoms, the oxidation state will be +12, and here for 2 chromium atoms, the oxidation state will be +6. To balance the oxidation state, on the left hand side, I am going to add 6 electrons. So this is balanced in terms of their oxidation numbers. Now we are going to balance the equation charge wise. That means by using the medium. Hydrogen ions we are going to add on the left hand side because it contains more negative charge. That means water on the right hand side. So left hand side we have -2 charge, -2, -6, +1 charge, and right hand side we have +6 charge. That means we have to multiply hydrogen ions by 14, then only charges on both the sides get balanced. Okay, and water will be multiplied by 7. So reduction half reaction is balanced atom wise and charge wise. Now we come to oxidation half reaction. Oxidation half. Okay, so oxidation half, we have C2H4O, C2H4O2. So here each carbon atom has -1 oxidation state on the left hand side, and here each has 0. Okay, now for 2 carbon atoms the oxidation state will be -2, and here for 2 carbon atoms the oxidation state will be 0. So to balance the oxidation state, we have to add 2 electrons on the right hand side. Then only the oxidation number gets balanced. Now we have to balance the equation charge wise. H positive we are going to add on the right hand side because it contains more negative charge, that is electrons. That means water will be added on the left hand side. Now left hand side the overall charge is neutral. Right hand side we have 2 electrons and 1 H positive. If we multiply H positive by 2, then only the reaction gets balanced charge wise. Okay, and atom wise as well. Hydrogen left hand side we have 6, right hand side also we have 6. Okay, So the reduction half reactions and the oxidation half reactions are balanced. Okay. Now we have to see to it that oxidation half reactions contain 2 electrons and reduction half reaction contains 6 electrons. The number of electrons that will be involved in both the half reactions, that has to be same. Okay, so we have to multiply oxidation half reactions by 3. Okay, so what do we get? We get 3C2H4O, 3H2O, arrow 3C2H4O2 plus 6 electrons plus 6H positive. So this is the balanced reduction, sorry, this is a balanced oxidation half reaction. Now we are going to combine these two reactions and we are going to give the overall reaction. Overall reaction we have to give. So overall reaction, that means we have to add them, okay? 6 electron will be cancelled. Dichromate plus 3C2H4O plus 8H positive, arrow 2Cr3 positive plus your 3C2H4O2 plus 4H2O. This is the equation, is overall balanced equation by combining the two balanced half reactions. Okay, so that's it, class 11. Thank you.